this is Alex, the Travel Fashion Girl, and today I'm going to show you how it's possible to pack for 2 different destinations with completely different weather with only 4 slim packing cubes by Compass Rose. They're carry-on size and they're color-coded and numbered. There's a variety of different ways to pack using these packing cubes, and one of them is to organize by destination or weather system. This example scenario is if you were going to be going to a beach destination and a winter destination. 2 colors, 2 destinations. I've pre-packed a few of the packing cubes and I'm going to unpack them to show you. I'm going to reverse engineer it. I've got the beach clothing we're going to pack together. When you're going to a warm weather destination, the clothing is less thick, it's a little bit less bulky than the cold weather clothing. We're only going to use 1 packing cube for that one. Quickly to show you guys what we have here, a pair of shorts that you can mix and match with 3 sleeveless tops in fun different colors for the beach, and we've got 2 dresses. Essentially 5 days worth of outfits. We're going to be using the number 2 packing cube from Compass Rose to pack the beach clothing. People always ask, do you roll, do you fold? I like to do a combination of rolling and folding. So far I've folded the shorts and I've rolled one of the dresses. I like to basically start with the bulkiest item and then work my way back from then to the thinnest items. I'm just going to go ahead and roll this one, put it on this side. There's a variety of ways to pack it. I'm just going to show you a couple of them. So I folded the shorts, packed those, rolled the dresses, put them on the side of the shorts, and now I've started layering. So I'm making a double layer in this. I'm going to put those other 2 tops over here, but before I do, one of my strategies with packing cubes is to zip them as you go. They have strong, durable zippers, really strong, durable mesh. So that's how I know I can not just use them to organize my clothing like traditional packing cubes. These actually also help you compress. I've left enough space here so that I can now go ahead and put a couple more pieces in there. You guys can ideally fold it nicely, neatly using anti-wrinkle strategies, tissue paper, and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this in, making room. There's plenty of room. Just gonna roll it up now, drop it in there. Awesome. So in 1 packing cube, we've put in 6 items, which have made essentially a mini capsule wardrobe for hot weather for beach destination. The next 2 packing cubes, number 1 and 3, the 2 red ones, this is what holds our winter clothing. First one, let's open that up and see what's inside. Gloves, absolutely essential to keeping you warm in the winter, and that's how you pack light with less stuff, is you take accessories like that. I've got a warm knit hat, not necessarily something that's in style or trendy. I like to just take things that I like to wear. That's always my priority with the stuff that I pack. Next, this is a dress. It packs really small because it's merino wool. The best fabric to keep you warm in the winter because it's thin yet packs a punch with warmth. I've also got a down jacket. Now, I don't have a packable down jacket. This is a regular down jacket. But despite that, I managed to get it inside this slim packing cube by Compass Rose. So I'm going to put that aside and open up the number 3 packing cube. Now again, we're color coding. So remember, beach stuff here, cold weather stuff here. And maybe we're going to be going to Paris for this. Maybe, you know, we're going to be stopping for a couple of days. We're going to go to Paris for a few days. On the way home, maybe we're going to stop in Florida for a few days to decompress. This is kind of the example scenario that's happening over here. This is my own personal winter capsule at home and while I'm traveling. Easy for me to pack. I always grab these things. I've got a black tippy J. Crew merino wool sweater. I love this one so much that I actually have it in a couple of different colors. Got the exact same thing in gray, different style, a striped sweater from J. Crew. These are all merino wool, so I know they're gonna keep me warm. And what I like about this one, it has a V shape in the back, so I actually flip it around and wear it both ways. Here's the thing, guys. So if you're traveling in winter, why this is important. Now, one, just because I've chosen black doesn't mean you have to. And I want you guys to know that I haven't chosen black because I'm traveling. I've chosen black because I love to wear black. That's my favorite color to dress in. So whatever you choose, make sure they mix and match. Make sure they're all in the same shade because that way you can wear them together. For example, when I was in Paris over the winter, to be extra warm, I put a silk thermal underneath that, which I have in packing cube number 4. And then on top of that, I wore this on some days because I was cold, but just these 2 things, a silk thermal underneath, my waterproof jacket, hat, gloves, scarf, that kept me warm, and it was really cold and windy. So just kind of explaining how I want you guys to think about when you're packing in winter. So I've shown you now 3 sweaters plus 1 dress. Now that's 4 days of outfit. But if you rewear these, that's now 8 days of outfit. because I've given you 2 bottoms to wear. Jeans, and I've got my black Skylar Anatomy pants in here. So if you mix and match all these 4 pieces, it's 8 days worth of stuff without necessarily washing. So that's the cool thing about merino wool. You do not have to wash it. Hang it up after you wear it at the end of the day and let it air dry. Take from this also, I'm not saying that you need to pack these exact items. Pack the things that you like. Take only from this video the packing principles, how to pack your packing cubes, also how to choose clothing. Now in this half of the packing cube, I've got 2 bras. I have the underwire running this way. Inside the cups of the bras, I've put in 10 underwear. I've included in here tights because we've got a dress. I've got 3 pairs of socks in here, also merino wool. These are actually merino wool blend. What I like to do is if it's cold, I put 2 together, air them out, rewear them. 2 silk thermal bottoms and a top. So I could wear these under my windshirt items in case it's really cold. And in addition to that, I also have small, versatile 2 pieces for sleepwear. So this is my leggings and my tank top. They're moisture wicking, athletic, technical material, so that way if I want to maybe use them to work out, leggings in a tank like yoga, I could do that. So again, I'm not going to show you the personal items, but this is how you were to pack if you were traveling to 2 different destinations, one cold and one warm weather, with 4 packing cubes. Here I've used the Compass Rose packing cubes. And the reason why I love these, they don't just help you organize your clothing, they also help you compress it. They're color coded, that way you can not only know what's inside your cubes, you can separate them by destination the way I showed you. They also have structured fabric, really strong YKK zippers. They're great quality, so I wanted to show them to you guys. And of course, that's the Compass Rose Slim Carry-On Packing Cube Set, available now on Amazon by Travel Fashion Girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out travelfashiongirl.com for more packing tips.